Hi, I'm Dr. Ruma Sinha, consultant gynecologist, laparoscopic and robotic surgeon at Apollo Hospital, Hyderabad. So what is endometriosis and how does robotics help in treatment for your endometriosis? Well, we need to understand that endometriosis is a non-cancerous condition by and large. It is a chronic inflammatory condition in which it is directly related to your periods. For example, if you understand that this is your uterus, these are the two tubes, and that's the ovary. Now, the lining inside the uterus is called as endometrium. This tissue sometimes is available near your ovaries in some women. Now, with every cycle, this tissue grows, these tissues also grow. With the advent of period, this tissue has a chance to come out as bleeding through your vagina. But this bleeding in this tissue has no place to come out. And that is where it starts collecting. And this old blood, when it collects, it forms cysts, which is in very simple language called as endometrioma or chocolate cyst. So with every cycle, this endometriosis keeps on increasing. And when endometriosis keeps on increasing, the pain, infertility, and all those problems arise. Endometriosis can be treated by various methods. We have medications, we have injections. We can do all this treatment to control the endometriosis temporarily. However, there are three situations in which one may require surgery for endometriosis. Situation 1, when endometriosis is so much that it is not letting you get pregnant, or there is a problem of infertility as we call it. Second, the pain is so much that every cycle is like hell. You have so much pain that you need medication, you are not able to do your day-to-day activity, you are missing school, college, or maybe your work, then you require a surgery to improve your pain. The third situation is that when these cysts develop in your ovaries on both sides, they may actually have a confusion whether they could be cancerous. And then we need to do surgery to rule out that these cysts are not cancerous but simply endometriomas. The surgery for endometriosis is a technically challenging surgery because of the disease process itself. It is a very complex adhesive disease present near the uterus, involves the surrounding organs like the urinary bladder, the tube that goes into the bladder called ureter, the motion passage, the rectosigmoid that is close to the uterus, all of them get stuck. And we need to have a very precise and clear surgery to get improvement from this surgery. One must also remember that the first surgery is the best chance for you having the best outcome. The gynecologists are the right people with training to do laparoscopic surgery or robotic surgery for your endometriosis. So why do we choose robotic surgery for endometriosis today? With our experience of 8 years at Apollo Hospital, Hyderabad, we have realized that having a precise technology to do surgery in a very complex situation like stage 3 and 4 of endometriosis gives us a better outcome, gives us a platform to do your surgery in a more complete and precise manner. So being prudent, trying to save your ovary as much as possible because you need these ovaries for your fertility later, we are able to remove as much disease as possible without damaging the ovary. The second, if you are not needing your ovaries anymore, but you want a complete relief from pain, again a complete clearance of endometriosis is very important to give you a clear benefit and outcome. So robotic surgery, being a precise form of computer-assisted surgery where we operate in 10 times magnification in a 3D vision, gives a clear view of where all the disease is. And that gives us an advantage to clear all your disease in the correct fashion. Today, robotic surgery is one of the methods which is propagated world over for dealing with stage 3 and stage 4 endometriosis, may it be for fertility enhancement or may it be to treat you for chronic pelvic pain when you need a complete ablative surgery where you want to remove your uterus, ovaries and other endometriotic nodules. Robotic surgery additionally gives you the benefit of keyhole surgery, where other than having a precise full clearance of endometriosis, you will also need to have very minimal stay in the hospital. Blood loss is much less, blood transfusion requirement is low, pain is minimal, and you can often go home after endometriosis surgery as a daycare surgery or probably after a night stay in the hospital. So these are some of the advantages of treating endometriosis with a Da Vinci robotic platform in our hospital at Apollo, Hyderabad.